L12cd2, Track 1.
The Great Pyramid is arguably the most accomplished engineering feat of the ancient world. Built to house the body of the dead pharaoh, the base of the Great Pyramid in Egypt is 230 metres squared, large enough to cover 10 football fields. According to the Greek historian Herodotus, it took 400,000 men 20 years to construct this great monument. They used 2.3 million blocks of stone, some of which weighed as much as 50 tons. La Tour Eiffel in Paris was built in 1889 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. The Industrial Revolution in Europe had brought about a new trend, the use of metal in construction. The tower, built from a lattice made from very pure iron, is light and able to withstand high wind pressures. For 40 years from the time that it was built, it stood as the tallest tower in the world, and still today it is the tallest building in Paris. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is one of Australia's best-known and most photographed landmarks. It is the world's largest, but not the longest, steel arch bridge, with the top of the bridge standing 134 metres above the harbour. Fondly known by the Australians as the coat hanger, Sydney Harbour Bridge celebrated its 70th birthday in 2002 with its official opening in March 1932. Nowadays, a group of 12 people leave every 10 minutes to climb to the top of the bridge and admire spectacular views of the city and out to the Tasman Sea. The Pentagon, covering 13.8 hectares, is thought to be the largest office building in the world. It takes a person 15 to 20 minutes to walk around the building once. It was built in 5 concentric rings, in record time during the Second World War, in order to relocate employees of the War Department from the 17 buildings they occupied within Washington, D.C. Built between 1406 and 1420 during the Ming Dynasty, the Forbidden City, also called the Purple Forbidden City or Gugong Museum in Chinese, is located in the centre of Beijing, People's Republic of China. Occupying a rectangular area of more than 720,000 square metres, the Forbidden City was the imperial home of 24 emperors of the Ming, 1368 to 1644, and Qing, 1644 to 1911, dynasties. It is one of the largest and best-preserved palace complexes in the world, with over 1 million rare and valuable objects in the museum. Opening on the 31st of December 1999, the Millennium Dome was built to celebrate the new millennium. The massive dome is over 1 kilometre round and 50 metres high at its centre. It covers 20 acres of ground floor space. How big is that? Well, imagine the Eiffel Tower lying on its side. It could easily fit inside the dome. With its 100-metre steel masts and translucent roof, the dome was meant to paint a portrait of the nation. Unfortunately, the project became one of the most controversial in Britain due to its enormous cost and doubts about how to best utilise the space after 2000. Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca, Morocco, was built for the 60th birthday of former Moroccan king Hassan II. It is the largest religious monument in the world after Mecca. It has space for 25,000 worshippers inside and another 80,000 outside. The 210-metre minaret is the tallest in the world and is visible day and night for miles around. The mosque includes a number of modern touches. It was built to withstand earthquakes and has a heated floor, electric doors, a sliding roof and lasers which shine at night from the top of the minaret toward Mecca.